Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this simple crochet table mat in rectangular shape, and you can see very beautiful design. So if you want to learn how to crochet this mat, stay connected. I'm using 6mm crochet hook to make this table mat. So let's start the video. So friends, I will show you how to make this. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook. I'm going to show you how to crochet a simple little patch. So take any odd number of base chain for this project according to the desired length you want. I'm going to make 15 base chain. After completing your base chain, to start your first row, make chain 1, go into the second chain from the hook and pull the yarn. Now pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Now go into the second chain and pull the yarn. Pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet 2. Go into the third chain and make single crochet 3 and repeat the same process till the end and make 15 single crochet stitches. After completing first row, for the second row, turn your work and make a chain 1. Go into the first single crochet stitch and pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch. Go into the second stitch and make single crochet 2. Go into the third stitch and make single crochet 3 and complete 15 single crochet stitches by repeating the same pattern and make a third row of single crochet. So after completing 3 rows, into the fourth row we are going to make our pattern. So turn your work and make chain 1. Go into the back side, only back loop of first single crochet stitch. Don't go into the first loop, go into only back loop and pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch. After making a single crochet stitch, make chain 3. Go into the second single crochet stitch, back loop only, pull the yarn and make a single crochet stitch. Again make chain 3. So this is very simple and easy pattern. Go into the third single crochet stitch, back loop only and make a single crochet stitch. Again make chain 3. Go into the next single crochet stitch, back loop only and make a single crochet stitch. Again make chain 3. Go into the back loop of next single crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch. I hope you can easily understand the pattern. Now repeat this till the end of the row. So after completing your fourth row, now we are going to repeat this pattern of 3 single crochet rows again. So make chain 1 and start your first row by going into these loops, front loops. So go into this first loop of single crochet stitch and make a single crochet stitch. Go into the second loop and make a single crochet stitch 2. Go into the third loop and make a single crochet stitch 3. Go into the next loop and make single crochet 4. And by repeating this pattern, complete your 15 single crochet stitches. Make chain 1 and make a single crochet stitch into very first single crochet stitch and single crochet 2 into the next, single crochet 3 into the next, and complete this second row of single crochet stitch and then make a third row with single crochet stitch. So after completing 3 single crochet row, now we are again going to make our pattern. In the fourth row, so for the fourth row again turn your work, make chain 1, go into the very first single crochet stitch, back loop only. For this row we are going to work into the back loops as we have done before. So make your first single crochet stitch and make chain 3, go into the second stitch, back loop only, and make single crochet 2, make chain 3, go into the next single crochet stitch, back loop only, and make a single crochet stitch, make chain 3, go into the back loop and make a single crochet stitch, and make chain 3, go into the next stitch, back loop only, and make a single crochet stitch. Now repeat this simple pattern till the end of the row. So after completing your fourth row, make chain 1, go into this front loop and make single crochet stitch 1, go into the second loop and make single crochet 2, go into the third loop and make single crochet 3, go into the fourth loop and make single crochet 4. Now repeat this till the end of the row and make 3 single crochet rows and repeat this pattern again and again until you get the desired size of your project. You can make this project in square shape as well. So this is a very simple and easy pattern. Now I will show you how to make simple chain border edging design for this project, but it's completely optional. So take another color yarn and make a slip knot. Go into any of the corner stitch and make a slip stitch, then make chain, then make chain 10 and make a slip stitch to this very first single crochet stitch. Now again make chain 10, You can increase or decrease number of chains according to the desired size of chain border you want. Go into the same stitch and make a slip stitch. In the corner we are going to make 2 chain loop bordering. Now make chain 10 again. After completing chain, skip 1 single crochet stitch and go into the next single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Now again make chain 10. And again skip 1 single crochet stitch, go into the next and make a slip stitch here. Repeat the same pattern till the end of the corner. After completing one side in the corner, again make chain 10 and go into the same single crochet stitch and make a slip stitch. Again make chain 10 go into the same stitch and make a second slip stitch. So we are making 2 loops in the corner as we have done in the first corner. Now for the side, make chain 10 again and after completing chain 10, skip 1 side edge and go into the next side edge. We are skipping second row and going into the third row side edge and make a slip stitch. Again complete chain 10 and then skip this fourth row and go into the next one, this one, as you can see in the video. Side edges are little bit tricky, but try to skip one row and go into the next row side edge and complete this. So friends, I have completed my pattern. You can follow this exact pattern to make a bigger size rectangular table mat. I hope you guys like this simple and quick method. For the table mat project, I have used 6mm crochet hook and a 35 paste chain, and you can increase number of row according to your desired size. So if you like this pattern, must try, and if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. This border edging design is completely optional. If you want to make, you can try, and you can take as many number of chain as you want according to your desired length. I hope you guys like it. Like, share and subscribe.